Hi everyone, welcome back again. So this is the first session on extreme fabulous indicator. So we've been I gave this indicator last year, right? And after that, there was one update on extreme fabulous, and there was not much action to it. So I feel like something is missing. Like people have started using the trades without indicators, with indicators and anything. That's a different wish. But those who really want to work in the market when you are in office, right? It's really tough to draw the drawings and everything. So that's the reason I created this indicator for me if I'm in office to see whether the trend is on the right side or left side or left, right, middle or whatever things. If I know the trend and then if I know the functionality of the script, right, I can easily take a trade. Okay. Yeah. So this is a beautiful indicator where it gives you accurate results and everything. Only thing is you need to follow certain instructions, some instructions that you need to follow, right? If you're not following the instructions, it will definitely make you fall down. Okay. The first thing in the mind is there are different element to it. Okay. So different elements to it. We will be using one at a time. We'll be using one at a time or two at a time. But
Sir,
we'll not.
your screen is not visible, sir.
No, I'm not sharing anything right
Okay,
now.
you're not sharing, no? Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we are going to use one at a time. We're not going to use everything at a single time and see how it's going to work out. Okay, we are not going to discuss anything other than what is really meant for. Okay, so this is first session on Extreme Fabulous. So it will be a series of four. Okay, four series will be there. First series, second, third, fourth. Today is the first session. First session is very important. So we have to know the first session to continue. Okay. The first session is all about, so everyone knows, right? I'll share my screen right now. So it's a two-way round because you people have been working with Extreme Fabulous, right? So what does this trend means? Green on the top, red is on the bottom. What does this means? Be vocal, be vocal.
Market
Bullish
goes up,
trend.
right?
Sir.
Sorry?
Bullish.
Market
Bullish.
is bullish, right? When the green is on the top, red is on the bottom, market is bullish. So if the trend is like this, right? It's very small. See, this is a bullish one. It's completely widening up, but here the trend is not that good. What does this mean? It's like a sideways kind of a market, correct? Though it is saying the green on the top, okay. See this? So the green is on the top. Even though if it falls, right, you will have a conviction that market will go up again. Okay. And please mute yourself, guys. One thing is,
Да.
okay, now nobody can unmute themselves. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, so the major problem, right? People are not following the trend is this one. So always take a trade. Always, if you are a bullish trader, first thing in the chart that you need to look out for is the green should be on the top. If you are a bear trader, you should always see the red is on the top. When the red is on the top, you can go for a shorting. But when the green is on the top, you should not short that particular script for any reason. You should always think of buying that stock. Okay. See this, the market went up, it was going up, and then it is coming down. The trend is getting changed here. See this green is on the top. So that means that even though it is red is there, it will definitely go up. So you'll be looking out for a buying opportunities. You're not going to look out for a selling opportunities. Even though if it's changing to red, right, you have an opportunity of going up again. It can go up again. So you can be 100% sure that okay, buyers are already there in this, because this is not equal to your EMA or SMA, all these concepts. Okay, it's all about the placing of the institutional players, whether they are on the upside or on the downside. So when you see a green on the top, that means that the buyers are in control of that particular script. You should not worry about anything, that even though if it's falling, unless the red is going to be on the top, that means that you're going to have some consequences. Until then, you can hold your trades. Okay, if you're on the wrong foot. Take an instance, this one, you are taking a long position here. Okay, green is happening. You're taking a long position here. Green is on the top. It is coming down. Okay, it is coming down. Okay, so when it comes down, I have a confidence that it will definitely go up again. So I can hold my trades unless I see a trend changing to red. Though it is changing to red here, right? I will be 100% confident that this will come back again. This will come back again. So always, this is the first element of the extreme fabulous indicator, that whenever you see a green on the top, you should be on the buying side. You should not be on the selling side. Got it? Let's take an instance here. Let's say here, you see here, it's on the selling side, right? It's on the selling side. Even though it went up like crazy, it get fall from the screen. Even though it went up, the trend is still on the negative side. So you cannot think of more than the cloud. You should be exiting from the cloud. And then if it goes up also, you should be in a position of shorting only. You should not be looking out for a long position here. Okay, unless the trend is getting changed, you cannot enter into a trade. Okay, so this is important thing that you need to understand. When you are understanding this concept alone, you are in the first step of extreme fabulous indicator. That means that you are on the right path of the trade. You are following the trend. Everyone says the trend is friend and that is friend, this is friend, right? Follow this kind of a trend, which is always give you a right approach on the thing. Okay, when you follow this particular trend, you will definitely on the right path of your success. Okay, so you have to take this as your first step in the extreme fabulous indicator. So let me show you something like I'll unmute everyone. Okay, you can unmute and talk. Okay. So what does this means? What does this means? Red is on the top, green is on the bottom. Even though it went up like crazy, okay, did it come back again? Because this is not going to give you any returns. Because even though it goes up, it will definitely going to fall down. Here, it was here, right? It was falling, it went down, it went up, and then it crossed, and then it went up crazy above, but it did not sustain. It came back again to the same position where it started. Because that means that when this is going like crazy, that red is on the top, green is on the bottom, that means that the sellers are in control. If the stock moving away from the trend, it has to come back to the same position again. So that means that you are entitled to have a put option on the top of the particular script, so that you can get a beautiful returns on this particular script. If you're not following this thing, you will be missing the entire profit of this PE. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So even if it goes up, let it go up. But there is a possibility of falling down. When it falls down, I get the same price again. Okay. Sure. This is first thing that you need to understand. Okay. So let me clarify something here. If trend is changing, green, right? It went up like anything. You can hold your trades. It can go up like anything. When it's changing, here it's changing. That means that the possibility of the particular script will not be going upside. It can turn downside. That's where you're getting a consolidation at this particular area. So there is no clear-cut indication of the particular script that is going to stay on the particular area for a very long time. And then you see a selling side happening and it's still not confirmed. It's not a confirmed selling or it's not a confirmed. This is a confirmed selling here. This area is a confirmed selling, but here it's not a perfect selling opportunity. Okay. Okay. So this is where you can make some good returns. Whenever you see a big move like this, right? See this, a big widening up the particular thing, it can make you wonderful trades. Okay, so that's the first part of the extreme fabulous. Always follow this trend. Okay, this will give you a clear picture. When it comes and hits the cloud, also it will fall. Okay, whenever see this, it comes down, it reverses back. Where it is saying it's already trend has changed to selling. So when it comes and hits that particular area, you can short. 70% or 75% of the time it will fall. Only 25% it will move away from the cloud. If it moves away from the cloud for 25%, the possibility of going for 4.618 is very, very minimal. It can go up to 4.2.618. And if it is 4.618, it has to fall. It has to fall back to the same price again. So wherever the candle is crossing, draw a 4.6, draw a two candle theory to it, and then wait for a 4.618. Let's say here, right? Here it is crossing. Okay, here it is crossing. So here, if it's crossing, my target is on 4.618 here. 4.618 is here. There was a little bit of reversal here, and then the trend got changed here. So when the trend got changed, the height will cross this particular area, and then it will definitely move. Yes side. I think this is wrong. Reversal settings. Reversal. Here, see, it got reversed from the 2.68 levels and then it tried. But after that, what really happened is the trend got changed. So it will come and hit this particular area. And when it's crossed this area, you know, next target is where it is next target. You will get somewhere around here, near to that particular area as well. Always, right, think of the opportunities, where the opportunities are making, how you can make the opportunities work for you. Let me share you here. Okay, here in this phase, see, in this phase, let me take a wonderful example. Okay, so trend is on the negative. Okay, the trend is on negative. This candle crosses above the trend. So when it crosses above the trend, you can have a two level, like 4.618 level. So you can draw this particular level and then keep it. So it has to fall. Above this area, it has to fall because the trend is not green, trend is on the negative side. So that means that 4.618, it has to fall. So you can short when it hit 4.618 levels and then take a trade. You will definitely end up positive. When it's turning again green, then you would need to be very cautious. Okay. So you have to think on the institutional purpose that what this is saying. This is all about the logic. The people are on the selling side. It is going away from the selling side. They will definitely make it come down to the same price again. So take this word into your head now and then. Okay. So that you don't miss it out. So wherever you find it's going away from the cloud. See this? This is on the negative, right? This is on the trend is on the positive. It is going on the negative, correct? When it goes on the negative side, you just draw the reversal Fibo to this particular thing. Draw this, and then see that it will reverse from either this or this. So it is not crossing, it is again crossing above this particular line. Don't draw Fibo for this one. Okay? Don't draw, it's definitely go on the upside. Only to the candle which is opposite to the trend. Draw to that particular Fibo and then try to work on it. So this is clear cut is this is not going to go down. Okay. But it will definitely yield you profit. Okay. This is called conviction. Once you have a conviction on your trade, then everything happens at the right time. Right? If you don't have conviction, because most of the people are lacking conviction. People ask me, sir, whether it will go up or down. Why? When you follow the trend, this trend, you definitely don't need me to say that it is going to go up or down. Yes or no? Okay. So let me show you SRF chart. Okay. So SRF chart, what is trying to say? The first candle, see this? The first candle crosses the, okay, this candle crosses the red on the top. See, this red is on the top, red is on the top, green is on the bottom, right? So that means that this is going away from the market, so that you can see that it doesn't cross. Again, one more candle, this is crossing. Again, it did not cross very well, right? Again, this candle crossing again. So that means that I need to draw only for this. You should not draw for this. You should not draw for this. You have to draw for the latest one which is crossing, because this will be eradicated, it will be removed. Only the last one which is crossing the opposite of the trend will be taken into consideration. When you take this into consideration, that means that the target you already know, you cannot expect more target to this particular option. So that means that when you take that and then you draw, so this is your target. So you know that 3056 is not a good price to hold. So when you get a target of 3030, you should be exiting from the position. Simple. Okay. Same thing when the price is on the top. That means that the trend is already giving on the upside. So here it is on the red, it is changing, it is coming down. What is this trend is saying? Green on the top, red is on the bottom. What is saying? It is positive. So when it's positive, even though the red is there, it will take a support from this particular candle and then it moved up. Okay. So here it is away from the trend right now. It's away from the trend, but it did not break the trend. It did not break this particular candle. Once this is broke, then you have the target of 4.618 at the bottom, and it may recover from this particular level. Okay, or from 305 it can recover. But if it opens above this, we will get a target on the upside only. It will go up again. Okay, do not fall into any kind of a trap. Always follow the major thing is trend. When you see a trend on the positive, if it falls like this, it will take a support from the cloud. Got my point? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
is it clear? Everyone,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
no doubt, right?
No doubt, sir.
So I want to know how many people are going to look out for this trend hereafter.
I will, sir.
I will.
So,
Prem,
yes, yes, Sanjay.
Prem, can you please repeat the candle that you identified, which you said is the one which is going against the trend? Can you
See,
please repeat that point?
this one, first, this candle crossing the trend above, correct?
Right,
Right? So when this candle crossing above, I will be marking this particular thing. And if the candle is crossing above this particular thing, it's not crossing, it is coming down only, correct?
right,
So that means that this is removed. Again, one more candle is crossing above, correct? Here.
right.
When this crossing above, my target will be somewhere on the top, right? So which is on only 4.618 will be on the top. So I'll take this as my entry point. I will not be shorting, I will not take an entry here. Okay.
Right,
There is a difference between a shorting and entry. Okay. Here I will not be taking an entry because it is away from the trend. Okay. So when it's away from the trend, I will let this progress, let this go. Okay.
okay,
சொல்லுவோம்ல போக விட்டு அடிப்போம் சொல்லுவோம்ல கரெக்டா ஒருத்தரை போக விட்டு அடிப்போம் லைக் let him go on his own way, then we'll catch him, right?
okay,
Same thing. If it crosses this one, I will short this guy here, or I will short this something around here, right? It did happen, right? It didn't happen for me.
it didn't. Yeah,
It didn't happen. It came down again. Again, one more guy. This guy is coming up. Okay. When this guy is coming up, I can remove this one. Or if you want to draw, you can remove it. But this guy is crossing again the the candle. See this? This one red is on the top, green is on the bottom. This means that it is away from the trend. So that means that whatever it goes up, it will come down again. Okay, that's what is meaning. So maximum my target will be 2 points, like 4.618. So this one will be my target. When I place that, my target will be somewhere here, 3056 or somewhere here. Okay, so I
okay,
got an entry here. I'll buy a PE. I will not let it down. I will go down. But here the trend got changed. Other this area, the trend got changed, right? So that means that
right,
I will be exiting my position. So I will be, even though I will be buying something, I'll be exiting from the position. But when it's changing to red here, that I will be thinking of the cloud and the red color distance. Distance between red and the cloud is around 30 points means I will definitely go for a shorting. If it's very near, I will not do it. So when it comes down like this, right? When it comes down like this, it will take support from the cloud. This cloud will be
okay,
very, very important that when it hits that particular cloud, it will definitely bounce back. Whenever it hits, it will bounce back. Wherever you see, it's a cloud bounce back. It's a cloud bounce back. You see here, it's a cloud bounce back. Here it did not hit. Here, see, hit and bounce. Wherever you see, it will come down, see, trend is green, it is falling, it is taking support from the cloud, green. See, again, it moved up. Okay, so all you need to understand is this particular piece. See how important this particular piece is. So if you're not following this one thoroughly, you will definitely fail. How many people not see till now not followed the cloud? While I given you access to the indicators, right? Did you ever saw this extreme this cloud before taking any trades? No, right? You people have started using only the entry point and the exit point, correct? Entry and the trade. Yes or no? Yeah. So this is the first part of the trade. Okay. Always follow one particular thing is this particular cloud should be always positive for a long trade. If you're a negative, if you're a bad trader, this should be always on the other way around. Okay. The red should be on the top, green should be on the bottom. Okay. Done. So this is the first part of the extreme fabulous indicator. All you need to do is follow the cloud. Cloud is the friend for the Fibo family. When the cloud is not meeting the criteria, the when the cloud is not meeting the criteria, the maximum distance that a script can go is 4.618. Okay. And then it has to come back to the same position and it has to follow the FiboWave theory. Got it? So that is what is all about this first part of the extreme fabulous indicator. Okay. Can I move on?
Sir,
Yes, everyone? Okay. Okay. Second part, I will take something else, right? How many people work here on commodity market? How many people work on commodity market? Tell me. Nobody? Very bad. Okay. So let me show you commodity market. Okay. Commodity market. Okay. First rule that what we have to follow, first rule is what? First rule is what?
Following the trend. Following the trend.
Trade, follow the trend. Okay, follow the trend. So here it is away from the trend, correct?
Any time frame we can follow, na?
Any time frame you can follow. This
Where
is
to start, sir? Sir, I have a question, sir.
yes.
Suppose sir that green cloud start. जब
Yes.
ग्रीन क्लाउड स्टार्ट होता है ना सर वही टाइम पे फॉलो करेंगे या एनी टाइम जो डे फर्स्ट है
Whatever time frame that you're using, right? I use 5 minutes means in 5 minutes time frame the cloud should be always on green. Okay.
Okay.
You can
Thank
use
you,
any time frame. If you use 15 minutes, if the cloud is not green or it is on the red, I'm not going to take trade because I follow 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, my trend is not giving me a friendly message of buying. That is the meaning. Got it?
yes sir got it
Okay. So here, see this a candle is moving away from the trend. Green is on the top, correct? Red is on the bottom. So how much point that I have to expect from this particular candle? No answers? Oh,
4.618.
okay. So I'm recording, so people are muted and they are left for the day. Okay, I understand. Okay. Okay, I'm taking this and drawing this. So what is the target? 3.351. The first target hit. And then the second target is what? Yeah. 343. Got it? It went up, it's a cloud, come down, and then the trend is already changed, waiting. So that means that it's on the falling phase only. So you cannot go on the long side. It is giving a confirmation to hold your trade till 343. So simple. So how much point that you would have made here? Big money, right? Okay, let's follow one more. Okay. Here. Okay. Red here, green here. This one is crossed and already gone. Here, red here, green. Okay. So that means that my target is on the upside. Right? My target is on the upside. So target is somewhere 369. Okay. Here it is crossed. See, the trend is on red on green only. It's already moved. Some from where? From 360 it moved up to 355. Already moved 5 points here. It did not hit 359. Okay, it did not hit. Maybe I should also follow one more step like previous candle also. Sometimes it will take that as my area of concern. Okay, so you see here, I should have exited from 350 350 levels here. Okay. So here it will definitely make you a good money here. Okay. Same thing here. Let me move one more step here. Always like this will move like crazy. Okay. Okay, here, same. Which candle crossing the second one? This one crossing nine. This candle crossed. Close is not here. Close is above, right? So there is nothing. This is closest below. So I'll take this particular candle alone. So this take this candle alone. My target is 384. Below that, it goes up above this, and then I'm coming down. So that means that here the trend is here. The red is on the top, green is on the bottom. That means that trend will follow on the downside only. So that means that you can hold your trades, like continue with your trades, so that from 384, my target on next one is 377. So this is my second target because the trend is giving me a selling side. So my target is 377. If it goes up again, you can still short at the cloud. So if you short at the cloud, so this is 4.61. This is 4.618. After 4.618, where it will go? It goes to 10.618, 10.618. Okay. So this is the bombshell, bro. This is really a bombshell. You have to follow two things here when the candle is crossing and you're getting a target here, and then the trend is changing here. The trend is changing, not holding with green. The trend is changing to red. That means that the possibility of going down is higher than going up. So you have to hold your shots so that you get a better returns on that particular entry. Okay. So how much money that you would have made from this particular trade? From 390, you got somewhere around 356 without any hassle. 3 days, only one day. Okay. So let me remove it. So here, see, this is away from the trend. Okay. First candle moves away, second candle moves away. Okay, that's all, leave it. The last one moved away was this one. This one was the last moving away candle. Okay. When this candle moved away, it moved away from the candle like 379. But when the candle opened at above 379, the trend got changed. So when the trend got changed, so that means that I have to expect a target of 396. So I should have bought it here. You would not have bought it because it's the upper circuit. So 392, it went up, and then it went up to 396, and then it started to fall with the main thing. So it did not stay at about 396. Below that, when 396 is broken, it comes back to the same position again. But we are not going to follow that. Once the trend is following, when the trend is changing, we will be modifying the particular trades. Here, green is on the top, red is on the bottom. The first candle which is entering to the lower side was here, and then last one was here. Okay, last one is here. So I just mark the last one alone. So my target is 390.89. But when it falls below this, it will not fall below, right? Why it not fall below this one? Anybody can say why it did not fall below 389? Come on, guys.
Green is on the top, sir.
Green is on the top. So that's the reason it did not cross below 389. So you have an entry here. And then still here, the cloud is not clear on which side I have to go. And then here, the trend got changed to red here. Where? Here, it got changed to red, right? So that means that there is a possibility of coming down again. So shorting here, again from here, shorting, shorting, comes a big move on the downside. Okay. So always follow the trend. Fine. So I did more
Sir,
to,
just one question here.
yes.
So you see this order block is forming, right?
I'm not going to talk about 100 block right now. So that's a
Okay.
different days we'll take later point. Maybe next week we'll take it because we don't get confused with what we are taking. The first class is all about the candles and the trend today. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
But let me complete that so that at least that one people follow it rigorously. If they follow that alone, they can make good money in the market. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the first part of the today's session, which was all about the trend, which we already know right now that when the green is on the top, red is on the bottom, it's only an indication for you that the market is on the bullish side, not on the bearish side for the particular strip. You can go long on that particular side. Make sure that you are watching correctly. Okay. Okay. The second part of the trade is all about the candles. There are different colors in the candles, correct? You see red, you see green, you see red, you see yellow, you see purple and everything, correct? Yes or no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are certain things that if you follow correctly, you can make good money here. Okay. So we are not going to talk about this green and red today, but these are very important, which I will be talking in the next class. Next class is very important session on this particular thing. But today we're not going to deal on this. We're going to deal only on the candles. Okay. So let's say whenever you see the purple color candle on the top. So if you're a bad trader, how many people are bad traders here? How many people are bad trader? Bear, right? No. So, okay. If you are a bear trader, first thing that you need to look out for is a purple color candle, and then it changes to a red color candle. Here, a red color candle is forming, right? See this very important thing. A red color candle is forming, but this red color candle is near to the cloud. Will I take a trade? No.
No, sir.
Because there is a possibility of reversing back because the trend is on the positive side. So will I take a trade on this particular thing? No, I cannot. Again, it went up. Again, it forming a red color candle on the top. Okay, the green is on the top. So when the red color candle is forming, you can short at the bottom. So we can short at the bottom of the candle and you can have a stop on the green color candle. It's a big stop, right? It's a big stop, right? It's a big stop because green is on the top, red is on the falling. So I have to take a big risk for a beautiful trade. But when the trend is here getting changed, like here, it is changing to red here, right? In that case, wherever the red is changing, where the red is changing, red is changing here. This is a cutover point, correct? Correct. This is a cutover point. There, I'll be marking a line here, and that is my stop loss, and I'll be removing this particular stop loss. Then I'll be moving where the next high is forming. I'll be moving to that particular high. Where the next high is forming, I'll be moving my stop loss here. Where the next high is forming, I'll move my stop loss here. Where the next high is forming, I'll move a stop loss here. Where the next high is forming, I'll move my stop loss here. Where the next eye is forming, I'll move my stop loss here. Where the next eye is forming, I'll move my stop loss to this particular candle. Where the stop loss is forming, I is forming, I'll move my stop loss here. Where I have to move my stop loss, I have to move my stop loss here. Where I have to move my stop loss, I have to move my stop loss here. Where I have to move my stop loss, I have to move my stop loss here. Okay, so here my stop loss getting hit. So while starting, what was my stop loss? 387. After switching over, what was my stop loss? 364. So how many points that I made? 18 points. Following only the trend and moving only my stop loss. Okay. Okay, that you can do. Sir, I don't want anything else. Sir, I want to buy and sell. Sir, I can follow this candle theory, everything. Sir, I want to follow only the red and the green color candle. Okay. So in that case also, if you follow a red color candle, a green color candle is forming, you have to use below this particular candle you can short, and this will be your stop loss. But you have to, if this is for scalpers also, you can do a scalping kind of a trade. But it will be very effective. Okay, it will be very effective when this green and red is forming when the trend is getting changed. So that will be even more effective. See this one. Okay, I'll get one good one. Okay. Here it's a green, correct? Here it's a green, right? Here is green, and then it's forming a red color candle here. So below this, I can go for a short. And then I can have a stop on the green color candle, which is here. Hit my stop loss. For second time, when it crosses below this, I can hold my trades. Simple. Here, red color candle is forming, right? When the red color candle is forming, below that particular candle, you go for a short. And green color candle will be your stop loss. Don't need to look into the clouds. When it falls below this cloud, it will definitely go 4.618. You can mark that area and you can trade. Okay, so you are having a stop loss here. Definitely, if it goes down, the cloud will definitely change. So you can have an early entry on shorting, and you can get a entry where you can exit on the green color candle here. Okay, same here. See when it's changing to when yellow changing to red, when red is changing to green, right? When the green is forming, buy above the green color candle, and red color candle will be your stop loss. Get good returns. Okay, so here, right, green color candle is forming. Above the green, you can buy. Below the red, you can sell. You can do that.
सर
Above
एक बार ये रिवाइज कीजिए लास्ट वाला
last wala here, red na, yellow, yellow is forming, yellow then red is forming, and from red it's green is forming. So green is a buying opportunities. There is a buying opportunity came in, so I'll buy it here. I can go long. Okay, my stop loss is here. I'm taking a risk, even though the cloud is red on the top, green is the bottom. I'm taking a risk on this trade. So I'm expecting near to the cloud. So I'm buying at 352. My target is 357. Expecting 357 tomorrow, but it opened above the 357. So I'm happy. I'm booking my profits because I'm not
first yellow, red, then green.
first yellow. First should be yellow.
Okay.
First yellow, then should be red, then should be green. and the green above, you should be taking a trade. Red will be your stop loss. See this here, red, yellow, red, green. Above this, I cannot take trades.
After closing, na?
Sorry.
After closing of green candle.
After closing the green color candle, yes. After closing the green color candle, you have to take the high. Mark the high. Above the high, you can take a trade. Okay. So when you draw like this, you can make some good money here. I will do for Nifty itself. Maybe people are really struggling in Nifty, right? I'll show you Nifty, how it works out. See here. The trend is green, correct? Trend is green. Okay. You're getting a green color candle. Super bullish. Buy above this. Stop loss is here. Simple. Easy trade.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same thing. Go where? Still on the green. Green is on the top, correct? Yeah, green is on the top. Red color is changing to green color candle. So above this, I'll take a trade. Red will be my stop loss. Did I ring my stop loss? No. Okay. This one is very big, so don't take this much big here. Okay, don't take this much big. Always use half of the candle. Okay, use the basic Fibo retracement. Okay, so I'll take a basic Fibo retracement here. Things okay. Settings. Okay. So apply defaults. Okay. When I apply default, I get 0.618, right? The 0.618 levels will be your stop loss. Or you can have it at 5. Either thing, you can do it. You can apply here, stop loss is here, and you can take a trade. Okay. When the stop loss is very big like this, that time use a smaller stop loss. In fact, this much red is forming now. That is not a red, in fact, that is a green, in fact. If I show you without this is a green color candle. Big green color candle. Okay. Okay. So here, if you follow rigorously, you will not miss out anything. Okay. Always follow the trend which is on the top, right? Whenever you see a green on the top, red color candle on the top, bottom, when you see a green color candle, go long. Do not hesitate. Go long. You will definitely heal more. Okay. When you find a cloud between here, right? When you see 367, the cloud is around 436, is around 80 points, brother. 50, right? 50 or 80? 71, cloud is at 70 points, right? 70 points you can trade, correct? You can go long. Yes or no? Or you will not go long. Will you go long or will you not go long?
Yes, sir.
Right? So in that case, green is forming. Above this candle, I take a trade. My stop loss is here. What is my target? Is the cloud. When the cloud hits the cloud, I have to be out. Okay, when it crosses above the cloud, I get a target. Which candle I have to take here? You tell me. Which candle I have to take?
Not sure.
Not sure?
No, sir.
Okay, the close is not above the cloud. This is close above the cloud. So you have to take this particular candle alone. When you take that particular candle, you get the targets. Apply the reversal Fibo. There's a reversal Fibo. So you get the target 1. Okay. From there, you get a red color candle. So when the red color candle is forming, you can short below this particular thing, and stop loss is on the green color candle. Okay, it hits that particular thing, and then you can be out from the system. But when it crosses below this, you can still short the trade for going downside. Then hitting the cloud, changing. Now here it's changing, it got changed. But wherever you find a red color candle is forming, you can go short. Okay. You see long back, right? Here the market is crazy on the upside. Okay. The market went up like this, green, right? Trend is on the red, green. So below this candle, can I go for short? Definitely, right?
Yes, sir.
My stop loss is here. My stop loss is here. So if I taken this trade, I would have made a good money the next day. Okay. So here, green. After green, as red is forming. Below that particular candle, I have to short. Definitely have to short. When it's near to the cloud, if you short, you will get good money. When it's away, when it's near to the thing, don't short. Here, see this all red, right? Red is on the top, green is on the bottom. When it's changing to red, below this, you can go for a short end. Did it hit the low here? Any of the candle? Tell me, any of the candle hit?
No, sir.
No.
Only the candle which came down was here. What was my stop loss? My stop loss was here. Green color candle. Did it hit my green color candle? No. Shorting happened beautifully. This is what a trick is all about. When you know the cloud is on the top, the red is on the top, green is on the bottom. When you want to be 100% short, this will give you 100% short on that particular script. So this is like a sniper attack, right? 100% sure attack. It's not giving you a stop loss. It is not. It is giving you the right direction of your trade. Right? You are 100% confident that this is red. This is also red. The stop loss is correct. See, placing of the stop loss is also correct. Right? How many people have a problem with the stop loss? Everyone has, right? Whenever we put stop loss, it comes and hits the stop loss. Exactly correct. But here, you will not hit the stop loss. If it hits, that means that is moving away from the system. Follow this. Always follow. The first thing is this, and second thing is on the candle. When you find a red color candle, if it's above, when it's then the trend is also telling me for short, and this red color candle is forming, close your eyes and short for the trade. You will get huge money. You can say if you're working on crude also, you can do that. Like those who work on crude oil in the evening, right? They can easily do that. So you okay. Here. Okay. Here the trend is changing here. Green, red, after that is green, right? So when this is forming, this one is forming, buy above this, stop loss is here, this one is not a big trade happened here. There was a gap here, there was a data mismatch here, data mismatch here. So from here, the data was not there. So that's where this data is not available. So I'll take a stop loss here. Trend is changing here, green, green. So my trade is on. I'll take a beautiful trade. And when it changes to red, I'll be out from the system. Okay. So where here, right? It is going on here. So I can go for a short with this particular stop. If you're a scalper, right? All you need to do is in short below this, you can have a stop loss here. If you're lucky, if it goes down, it goes down crazy. Also told you how to take a trade. You can go long, short below this particular trade and continue with your trend. Okay. So here long I showed you. Short I also tell you here. So you see here this one, red is on the top. Red is on the top, green is on the bottom. Here red color candle is forming. So below this candle I am going for a short. My stop loss is on the previous green color candle. It did not cross above that particular red color candle. Is it easy for trade? It's easy in trading crude and oil, natural gas. No, it's not easy in trading crude and natural gas, right? Very tough.
சார்
People,
இது வரைக்கும் அதில் செஞ்சது இல்லைங்க சார்.
people say it's very tough in working with commodity market, but it's very easy when you follow correctly that you will not lose any money in commodity market. Very easy way of trading with fabulous. So when you follow that, it's very easy in making money. So when you follow this, below this, I'll go for a short. I can happily put my stop loss here. It will not hit my stop loss. Okay. So follow it, bro. Where you have all opportunities to do it. I can do for any script. You just tell me a script. Anyone, please quickly. The one is sleeping here. I'm only shouting.
RBNL.
Okay, RBNL here. Red is here. It is crossing this particular candle. So my target is on the upside here. As long as it is not crossing above here, target is on the upside, leave it. So here it's crossing. Okay, leave all these things. Here it's red. Red is changing to green here. Red is changing to green here. So I'll take a long about this particular candle. My stop loss is here. That's it. I got very good entry here. And exit here. Okay. So here, purple is nothing but green. Okay. When you see purple is nothing but green. When you see purple, close your eyes and buy it because you have to hold it. When it's purple is for holding it, so it went up like this. I'll show you Manappuram. Okay. So I'll show you Manappuram. Okay. One of our prime member, I worked with Manappuram with fabulous indicator, and he used 15 minutes time frame. Okay. And he took an entry here. He took an entry here. And then he booked at 226, 246. All these things he booked at. He booked it exactly as 246.90. Can I bring up that person to the session? Can I?
Oh,
Yeah, you can.
Rohitji, are you there? Can you speak? Is it possible? No? Okay, I think he has a problem with the mic. Every time it happens. Okay, leave it.
Team, can we do this on the options also, option charts? Same
Yeah.
concept.
Yeah, option also you can do it. Nifty, which one? Nifty 20 call option.
Sir,
Yeah.
yesterday is 23,200. 23,200.
I'll bring up 22,200 P C, okay? 22,200. Okay.
Expiry March 27th.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Tell me here. This one is crossing the cloud. Yes, this one is crossing the cloud.
Yeah.
So when this
Okay.
is cloud, I'm going to apply 4.618 here. 2.618 and 4.618, which is 77.6. So this is my target when I use this particular candle. As long as the green is on the red is on the top, green is on the bottom, my target is only 77.6. I cannot expect more than that. Okay. So here, till here, the market was around 77.6. Okay. So it did not move above 77.6. That's here only the trend is getting changed. You see here, trend is getting changed. Once the
Yeah.
trend is getting changed, we get a next target of 10, correct? Which is 155. Which is 155, 177.6. The trend is also on positive, correct? It's all green. It went up 155. After 155, what is the target? You know that, right? You know it. So it goes and hits the target, you know, exactly. Then it comes down. Now you seeing the logic here? How beautifully it moves. Same thing on the negative side also. If you're a shorter, right? I'll show you on the short side. Shorting, right? Usually most of the options will go for selling only, correct? Most of the option calls will go for shorting only. It starts from huge thing and then it falls. So when you see a candle that's changing to bearish mode, yeah, bearish mode, right? When you see a candle on the bearish mode, that the option is on a decay. It is going on a decay. That means that you cannot buy call option at all. So you cannot buy call option at all. You cannot buy call option at all. Here, still here, you cannot buy call option at all. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, around this particular area, the trend is getting changed. Still, no. Sorry. Here, the trend is getting changed. So here only, we have to buy this particular call option. You want to see put option? Nifty put option, yeah. I'll show you Nifty put option, yeah. 58. Nifty put option since March 30 year it was selling, right? It was selling, and from June, January, Feb, around 11th onwards, it's on the buying side. From 320 onwards is the buying side only. So 320 onwards is buying, buying, buying only, buying, 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 and then here it started to sell, and then it goes down like this, selling, and then here started to sell. When March 17th onwards, it's selling only here, selling only March 17th onwards, selling, 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 selling. You can go for any option. I can show for Reliance, or I can show for BSC also. I can show you BSC. Okay. You can do that. BSC. Okay. I'll take BSC. Can I take 4,500 call option? Okay, I'll take 4,500 call option here. I'll take in April, sorry. 4,500 call option here, okay? It's on selling, right? It's completely on the selling. Okay, selling. So it's on 15 minutes. I'll change to 5 minutes. Yeah, see. Is it giving a buy here? BSE. Is it giving buy? No. It is no. It is no. Still no. Yeah, the trend got changed. When the trend got changed? On March 19th, it got changed. What was the target? What was it trading at? 24. So if I had taken a trade at 24, my stop loss was only around this particular candle, like 15 or 16. That's it. Sorry, this candle. 25. And then the cloud is on the trend is on the positive side. Now where it is? Where it is? 337. Okay. Is it easy way of taking trades?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
Prem sir, Prem sir,
Sir, check yesterday where it gave entry after
It's
2 or
already
2:30, I think
no,
so.
no, it's not
After
an
blasted like please.
yes, red is there. That is afterwards the green is forming here. Here the entry started move.
Prem
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
Prem sir.
See,
Yes, yes, tell
5,000
me.
C has given a beautiful, all the things.
सर वो ऑप्शन को कैसे चूज किए सर?
Option किधर है भैया? So okay, let me can you ask one thing? Which can I have any other script?
सर माझगांव.
Nasdaq?
Yes, माझगांव.
Nasdaq, no option.
No, it is a cash stock.
Cash stock.
Larsen and Turbo, L&T.
L&T, right? Okay, L&T. L&T, what is currently trading at 345, 3415, correct? Let's say I'm
3,400.
I'm taking 3,200 call. Maybe 3,000 when 3,200 gave me a buy, right?
3,300.
I want to know when 3,200 gave me a buy. First thing is I need to know. Okay. So it gave a buy around, everything was selling, okay. It gave a buy around here. This is red here. It's completely on the red, green forming here. So 128, it gave a buy. The stop loss was around 126. And then from 128, it went like holding, it went up to 270, 81 to 81. You want to see PFC? I want to show PFC also. PFC is not moving, right? It's moving or not moving? It's 407. I'll move to 400, okay? It gave a buy around 18 rupees. This
Sir,
was,
you are seeing
sorry,
April, sir.
sorry,
You are seeing April option.
I did that. Sorry, 27, 400.
Even L&T, if you see March, it will be much better.
So yes. So here it gave an entry around here. This was the entry point. This is red, green forming around here. So this is the green, correct? This was green here. From here, if I bought at 840, it went almost to the upper side till 14 rupees. And then it came down. If it comes down, will you hold it or will you exit? Because the cloud is on the top, so it will come back again to the same price. It came back again. and then again the market did not change to red. It's still on the positive side only. Still on the positive side. If it goes up, it'll definitely go up because the green is on the top. Okay. Sometimes the script will be like this. Sometimes the script, like if I go for Reliance, it will be the same. It doesn't give me a good opportunity for good buying opportunity. So if I see Reliance here, 27, I go for 1,200, 600, 1,260 put, call option. The call option, it gave a buy only around this particular range, this particular candle. What does that particular candle is? 940. 940 only, it gave me a buy. And my stop loss was around this particular candle, which is, this is green. Okay, this is here. This candle will be my stop loss. Only till it came to the stop loss only. Then it went up like crazy. Green only I'll be holding it. If I hold it, I can book it around 24. I bought it at 9.40. Exactly, I bought it here. And I sold it around 24 yesterday. Here, yesterday I sold it around 24 here. This area I bought it. Hold it.
So how did you enter your Vedanta?
Vedanta,
Ah,
Vedanta exited. Exited. Vedanta, BSc, I'll show you the BSc thing. See, I'm running a Algo, right? Algo system is little very, very tedious, man. The number of trades that is taking is enormously high, and most probably it is taking me life out of me. Okay, I'll show you something. Okay, you will be really worried why Trainster is doing this.
Sir, one request.
Yes.
Sir, how did you go to option chain in trading view? Option chain, sir, not option. Option chain.
Okay.
Can you show the?
When you click on here,
Yes, sir.
it will come like this.
All.
This, okay, all will be like this. So
Okay.
really find options. Click on options.
Yes.
And then you'll find Reliance will be coming here. When you click on Reliance, you'll find April, May, March, April, May. Okay. You can select which option that you want to select.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Spot price, this is call option, this is put option. Okay. So I'll log in and show you. The worst thing is Algo is making very, very bad entries. It's not bad entries, in fact. It is like wait. A lot of sharing you something with the data, right? So that is what I really want you to do. Okay. So these are my open positions. Okay. It's not showing 35,000 K. Okay. Till April, the average price is 35.38. Tata Motors, I'm holding 27. CDSL, I'm having it. BSC, I'm having it. Okay, 343. Okay, so the money, I'm just going for the money. Okay, the investment part is somewhere around 3 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs is being invested. Okay, I show my trader's diary. So this is my diary here for the month of March. Okay, so month of March, the overall, okay, it should say monthly, right? Monthly overall profit was around 65K. Okay, overall profit made is 65K. Net profit loss is 3,781. If you know, the brokerage that I gave was 33,331 rupees. The charges that I gave was 35,000 rupees. Interesting, right? How much money that I gave for brokerage? See this.
Sir, then charges 35, brokerage 33. Then what
no.
did you get, sir?
See here, wait. I didn't make anything. The loss is 3,700 only. Profit is 65,000 rupees. Brokerage had gone for 33. Charges came for 35. The total,
All the money went into their
all the
pocket.
money gone. So I'll show you show you the worst part, right? I'll show you the worst part of this particular thing. 21st, okay. Let me show you the loss making trades. Okay, this one. Where is that? This is 24. Right? Okay, I'll show this one. If you see 21st, there were big profits are made, right? Like 41K, 39K, 20, everything, right? This 41K, you know, there are lots of losses were there. Hey, it's not showing properly, bro. There are somewhere around how many trades? 196 trades taken. In 196 trade, I traded only a small amount, maybe around 15 trades, 20 trades to make it 41. Because it was running and it was showing me a loss of around 65K, in fact, 65K loss. From 65K, I have to turn around to make 41. Otherwise, that was a trending day, in fact. The algo is, I've written a code in the wrong way. So it is first time when I tested, it was working fine. But when I run it again, there were internal logic which I written was wrong. So due to that, everything got triggered correctly, but exit was all incorrect. So because of that, there were huge losses happen, like 61, 69 or 70K was lost here. The entire money I have to recover. Not this day, every day it's like that for me. Every day. So that's where I could not connect with every one of you in conducting a daily live sessions. Because unless I find the live algo working very well, I cannot conduct. Because literally it is eating my money every time. You are seeing, right? What is this all about? I didn't have any good profit. Even though I had 30K profit, my entire brokerage went like 12K, 13K loss. So 13K went for brokerage alone, charges alone. Even though I had 17K, that's what I can have. This is what the life of Prem right now. Okay. So I show you everything every day. BSE gave me a good return. I'll show you. BSE. You see BSE here? I bought it at 174 and exit at 184 and then 210. Okay. I bought it at 343. It went up to 420. This is on yesterday. I'll show you here before day, right? I'll show you one more day before. Okay, this one, I'll show you this one. Literally, this BSE only saved my day. Okay. I lost everything because of everything. Where is it? Where is BSE? Okay, BSE here. No, BSE, I bought it at somewhere, I sold it there. I bought it at 81 rupees, 4,600 call. Okay. And then I sold it somewhere around 110 or 120 rupees. Not showing. Not showing, bro. You mean the previous day? BSE, where is BSE?
Prem,
Ah,
see, among all the brokers, Dan is supposed to be the least brokerage one who charges.
hey,
Having that,
no. These charges is 20 rupees, okay? 20 rupees. One trade, buying and selling 40 rupees.
but still, how come the other charges and the brokerage put together is equivalent to your profit then?
No, this
STT
Government
charges
charges.
will be there, na?
Yes, yes. Government charges, GST,
Ah,
everything included.
No,
everything.
and other charges won't be equivalent to your brokerage charges. If I'm not,
Brokerage is different.
no, brokerage is different. Based on the brokerages only, the other charges are STT, SEBI charges are charged.
no,
But
that
the
is
other,
here. So
the
total
other,
96. Now, if I done the same thing in Zerodha, I would be having more. I will be having the
no,
more.
I differ with you. Security transaction charges is high among all. Zero is the most highly chargeable one,
Correct.
STT.
Correct.
No,
So
there is something wrong in your system or that check it because the
see,
brokerage
correct.
charges cannot be equivalent to your other charges.
Wait,
It should be
wait.
less than that.
It's equal. Okay. Let's say 196. Okay. One trade I have to pay, two trades I have to pay 40 rupees. One trade I have to pay 20 rupees. Yes or no? One trade I have to pay
Yes.
20 rupees. For two trades I have to pay 40 rupees. So 100 trades I have to pay 2000 rupees.
Go with ICICI, then they're much very competitive than them. ICICI is
Right,
much competitive.
I know. If I done the same thing with ICC Direct, I already have an good rapport with ICCI. So I got only 9 rupees per lot.
But their problem is the system is when the volume is very high, they'll put you in trouble.
This one,
Yes.
this is the problem. Okay. Brokerage is not a problem with ICCI Direct. This one is the problem. Service charges is more on the ICCI
ICC
Direct.
Direct. Yes.
Because they have providing the other services too and services. This is just a brokerage firm where they will give you only the terminal. But ICCI gives you a service charge also. So that's where you find more in your service charge in this ICCI Direct.
Indirectly, they are taking in other way.
Yeah, it's a the better thing is you have much leverage in done other than ICCI Direct. The worst thing is the execution part is very smooth. Execution is very smooth. It is happening like this. Just one single entry is happening, and then exit is also like a flash. I don't know when. See, I just went for my breakfast and came back, and I already saw 40 trades have been completed. 40 trades executed and then bought and sold. And in that 40 trades, 29 trades were on loss. 11 trade was on profit. The total combine of both 40 trades, it was somewhere around 2,300 rupees profit. Okay, 2,300 rupees profit, 40 trades done, nothing for me. So that's where I'm still working on it.
Waste of your time and energy.
Yeah. So that's where I'm making. See, we cannot build a system. We cannot build an empire in one day. Okay, we have to put your energy and soul into it. So I'm putting my energy and soul and my money into the system, so that I get a life better later. So that's where I'm putting so much of input, so much of work into it. So if I'm not trading, if I'm not putting my money, if I'm not working on the money, that means that whatever I given here, like 3.5 lakhs, it will definitely eaten by the algo system in just 15 days. If I've not done my trades, it will definitely and I've gone washed out in just 15 days. I'm making my capital protected so that though the algo makes system wrong, I'm making it correct.
Wish you the best.
So that's where I'm making it correct. So that maybe next year, next month, or down the line, I may not have time to work on it in the market. Let the system work for me. So I have invested so much of time, right? So let the system do it for me so that I make some money out of it. So that is the main motto of it. So even if it's generate like 10K or 15K or a daily basis or a weekly basis, also I'm fine. 40K from the system, I'm very happy.
Algo is integrated with the Dhanna, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I have a Spider software. Spider is
Okay.
integrated with that. So Spider speaks to my that. Okay. So these are all different. So we are moved out from the topic where we are talking about was BSc, right? Okay. BSc, I took it somewhere here. Okay, so sorry, BSE. BSE was on ban period, correct? Now 4,000 onwards is on ban period. So I have to buy BSE on the cash market. I have to buy BSE on the cash price. So I bought BSE in cash, like 500 shares of BSE around 400 rupees. 509. Oh, yeah, sorry, I bought 100 shares and I got somewhere around 170 rupees. So one day I closed around 18K profit. Next day, again, I bought and sold it around 15K profit. And third day, the BSE opened in options. So I bought it and I sold it somewhere around 25K. Yesterday, I had another day with BSE where it gave me a beautiful returns on somewhere around 25K. So another one more stock which I really want you to watch out for is Kalyan Jewellers. Okay. So I'll show you something important, immediate pattern, some kind of a pattern which is forming on Kalyan Jewellers. Okay, I'll show you. So I'll keep on monitoring. And by the way, those are waiting till the end of the session will get a bonus. Those who are in the system for next 30 minutes will get a bonus. Okay. So session will be over at 12, but after that there is a bonus session. Okay, those who want to have a bonus session, please be waiting here. Otherwise, you can take care. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll show you Kalyan Jewellers. So Kalyan Jewellers, what really happening in Kalyan Jewellers is last 15 minutes, the market, the trade is not happening since morning till the evening. Okay, it starts and the script will be flattish for almost 5.5 hours. And then around 3 o'clock, the volume comes in. And suddenly push the price 15 rupees up and then come down 8 rupees down and then they close. I'll show you a pattern for last week alone. Okay. Last week is 13, correct? 12, right? See this. This is on 11th, okay? Starting 11th onwards, if you see here, around 3 o'clock, from 410, 414, it went up to 427. One day? Yes or no? One day. Moved. Between 3 and 3:30, big move happened and then it came down. Next day, it was around the same price. And then it was trading around the same price. Around 3 o'clock. Same time, like 3:10. Same time at 3:10. A big move came in. From 420, it went up to 431. And then it came down. And then on 13th, same pattern around 3 o'clock. People have gone up, but before 3 o'clock, the move started. 422, it went up to 435. But 410, 310, everything is done. Okay. 13th is over. Go for 14th, let's say 17th. Okay. 17th, the market was completely flat. It was not giving anything on 17th. Leave it. 18th, same pattern. Around same pattern move did not happen, but next day, the first candle moved. Leave it. See this around 310, 315, and 19th, 442. It went up to 462. Okay. See on 20th. This is 20th. Okay. Around 3 o'clock, 310. It moved up to from 458. It went up to 474. Okay. So 21st, it did not give anything. But morning itself it moved. So it did not give anything. So when Kalyan Jewellers is on the flattish mode, watch out for 3 o'clock for a big move. Very interesting, correct? So what really happened is, this is the first time I missed Jewelers. I missed this particular move because I had the trade. I was having the trade. It went like this and then came down. So I have to book it on the same price. Okay. Next day, it did not give me any returns. I tried. I did not give any returns. Next day, I tried here. Before itself, like 3 o'clock itself, I got it and hold it. And I captured this entire move. And then I was capturing this entire move. You want to see that? I'll show you. Because I don't have money, because everything is lost. Like 40K lost and 30K lost. I have to recover, correct? So I have to do it. I have to do it. So otherwise,
So you did these trades manually, sir?
yeah, I did it manually. I'll show you. Like 14, and that's 12, I think 18. I think 18th. 18th, I'll show you. Jewelers. You see Jewelers? K. Where is K? Futures. It's Jewelers, man. I'm not showing anything.
Is the date correct, sir?
Yeah, correct. No. Maybe I'll do another
Yes.
date.
One.
There. This one. Try this one. Jewelers. Where is Jewelers? See this
See, here is there. Futures is
Futures like what? Yes, I need to put here so that I buy and sell. If I had a trade timing, it would be very easy. Here, Jewelers. I bought at 9 rupees. 990 got sold. Sorry, 9 rupees I bought. 990 I bought. And I sold somewhere else. Yeah. Where did I sold? Sold somewhere else. Not here. The future I bought at 460. I sold it at 466. Okay, I was waiting at 3 o'clock now. Before that itself started to move. So I captured 466 and then I closed at 466. It's just matter of how many minutes now? Matter of just 15 seconds. If I had a traded timing, right? It will be easy. Yeah. The timing is there. 465. It's traded around 254. Okay. I think it's this. It went up and I lost at 466. Closed at 466. I was waiting for that move. So same thing. I did it for since 410 onwards, 420 onwards. I've been tracking Jewelers. Okay. So for today we talked about two things here. So what are the things that we talked about? We talked about the trend, correct? We talked about the trend, and the second thing which we talked about was candle, right?
Candles.
So when to take a candle is, I already told you when to take a candle is. Try to be positive side. If the trend is on the positive side, and when the green color candle is forming, then go long. Before that, there is a red color candle. Put that as a stop loss and take a trade. Same thing in option also. I showed you, right? Use the trend. When the trend is changing to green, and then see the candle is changing to green, take a trade. It will make yourself very comfortable in your trades. So if the market is going down, let's say if the price is going down, if you see on the put side, it will change to green on the top, red on the bottom. That means that put side is getting energy into it. So the market for the particular script is changing to put side. So you can go to the put side and start working on it. This is a beautiful tool, man. Only the candle, only the trend itself, you can make good money out of it. Yes or no? You can make money, right?
Yeah.
Think of other things which is there, which will make your life even more better. Okay. Only this two, you follow for next 1 week, and then let me know how much of you guys are making good money here. Okay. Okay. The best part is waiting in the end. Okay. As the market is, as the March is going to get over, April is going to start. What are the stocks that you have to have it in your bucket? What are the stocks that you need to have in your bucket? Tell me.
Stationery related and AC related, like
Okay.
refrigerators and FMCG, snacks related.
Snacks related. Okay.
Mm.
So will you get money on that particular chips and everything?
And
I use that.
electricity related.
Oh, how do you know electricity will be very good on that particular thing?
Maybe summer is coming and people use more electricity, right?
Oh,
It's just my you.
where are the data?
Huh?
See the data.
Sir, I'm not clear.
Show me a
Where
data.
is the date?
Show me a data that you say that okay, April month is all about stationery, is all about
Stationery in the sense like schools are going to open, right?
schools
Next
going to
2
open
months.
soon,
Then.
right? Schools are going to open only in
Huh?
June only.
Yes, 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 June. Little bit time is there. Just 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
These are the sectors we can watch out.
These are the sectors that you can watch out for.
Stationery related but stationery related stocks are very less, I think. Right? And others are power related and these refrigerators and
okay. Don't be complicated.
FMCG.
Don't be so much complicated. Don't do so much of complication, okay? Okay, I'll just show you something, okay? So you tell me which stock will be good for April? One stock. Sauji, tell me one stock which is good for April.
Good for April. Britannia, Hindu Unilever.
Hindu Unilever, okay.
And this, particularly this beverages, sir, VBL, United Spirits.
Okay, tell me which one, VBL? Can I take VBL?
Ah, yes.
Blue stock? I'll take VBL, okay? Okay, I'll take VBL, Varun Beverages Limited, okay? So, do you think that the stock will go in the month of April?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think but these big people will move before itself.
Huh?
Big fellows will move it before and make them consolidate.
Okay, here comes the concept, okay? Here comes the concept, right?
Have to check the chart.
Okay, you need to see something. We need to see a pattern, okay? Which stock will be moving for which month? If you know that particular stock move on that particular month, you can take a trade on that particular month. If you are not following that, you are doing everything is wrong. You have to be every stock as a season. Every stock as a season. Okay. This stock will work only on that particular month. So what we do, we follow the same script and we dump in every month the same script and we follow the same script for entire 12 months. Is it correct? No. It is not correct. You have to follow certain script for certain month only. You cannot take that particular script for any other month. So let me take Varun Beverages here. So with this data, can I able to understand that whether April month this script will go up Because it's already moved up, like 488, it has moved up somewhere around 539 is there. Will it move up? I don't know. How can I do it? Go to indicator, type season, type
Okay.
seasonality,
Okay.
enter it, click it. Okay,
Okay. We'll be getting the stocks related.
you will get a season matrix. This is seasonal metrics for Varun beverages.
Okay. Related to the stock.
Related to the stock. Okay. As Saujanya told, Varun beverages have given you maximum returns, not in the month of April, but it gave a maximum return in the month of November.
November 2.
Okay. So though the percentage is increasing, like 8% is increasing, let's say if you are taking a Varun beverages in January month, I'll be in loss only because most of the time Varun beverages is turning negative. Okay, here also it was positive, but the percentage, see the percentage of it. If the percentage is more than 80, that particular script is very, very good. So 88% in April, Varun beverages is good for trading. So that means that you can have Varun beverages in your watch list for the month of April. So you can trades in the month of April. Sir, is it the same for Nifty also, sir? Yes, it's a seasonal. Nifty also is a seasonal thing. So if you see on January month, every time it's on the negative side, only negative. Feb month, every time is negative, only negative. March month, every time 70% of the time is positive. What happened? Turnaround in March happened. As a no, the April is a continuity. The market will continue positivity. It'll go for a continuity. June may be a pullback. July again a continuity. July
Full green.
month always the Nifty will be on the top side. See, 90% of the Nifty moves up in the month of July. Only 1 month was failure, but rest of the year is all about 3% up, 8% up, 7% up, 6% up. It is all improvised. So that means that you should have captured the entire move from the March. So that's what I've been telling to everyone. That March 12th is the right day to buy all your scripts. I've been telling my students, I'm telling my followers, I'm telling my whoever call me and ask me, buy it after March 12th. My lowest was 21,800. It hit. So you have to buy it after March 12th, and people have bought huge money on this. So April, you get a good return. So what about Bank Nifty? The
Prem,
Bank
oh, sorry, Prem, 1 minute. How did you know it was March 12th and not one day before or one day after? Was there something on the chart that showed you that?
Oh no, see, usually the March, right? March is always trending towards positive, correct? Okay.
Correct.
So March first week itself, the move had happened in such a way that it's already like last month, 2% of the money is already gone from the Nifty. Okay.
Right.
So 2% of the money is gone from the Nifty is March 12th. It has to be at least to the positive side, or it should be near to the positive side. So that means that the first 2 weeks, the selling side should get over.
Right.
So, and after 12th, there should be a buying price because March always tend to be a positive trend. It's not a negative trend.
Correct. Correct.
Then
Yes.
only on the COVID time it was negative, but rest of the year it's all trending towards the positive side. So if it's 2% or 3% downwards, so I can expect 6% on the upside. So that means that more than 3% I'm expecting. So when it's around March 12 is over, I have next 15 days is there, right? So 15 days,
Got
it
it.
will cover 4% of it.
Got it.
If I get
Thanks.
4% of it means it has to start from 14th, 12th. It cannot directly rise 100 and 1,200 points, right? It cannot rise. It has to rise, but it cannot rise like that much big. So it has to rise on a at least 200, 300 points in a single day or 300 days. So that's where you find after 12th, there were a little bit of downtrend, and then it started from 15th onwards, and then it's capturing all the losses which is made from 1st March 11 to March 12th. Everything is captured and then it moved down. So that's where the trend of Nifty is there, and it will continue. And if you see Bank Nifty, is it the same pattern? Bank Nifty follow Nifty? No, Bank Nifty doesn't follow the same pattern of Nifty. If you see July month, the maximum turnaround is 70%. But in October, if you see, the maximum turnaround is 80%. November is 30%. So October, November season is all for Bank Nifty. For July is the season for Nifty. Okay. So March is just positive. Okay, it's just positive. It'll get more aggressive in the month of April. So April month, Bank Nifty will be aggressive. Will be aggressive. Okay. So when you follow the seasonality thing, you will get a clarity of which script will work good. So do we need a scanner for this? Do we need a scanner, right? So do we need a scanner to fetch which are the scripts will be positive or negative? Yes or
Yes.
no? How many people need that?
No, sir. No
Yes.
need for
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Oh,
All of
need
us.
that, right? So this one I was doing it, and luckily the money control have implemented in money control. Okay, so they have given me a particular thing called seasonality. Okay, this is seasonality. For the Nifty 50, I can go for anything. I can go Nifty 50 stocks, Nifty 500 stocks. I want to see for the month of April. If I see April, I will get list of stocks which is good for April. All the stocks good for April. Bullish. I get all the stocks which is positive. Okay. See this? It will give you entire 500 stocks. So Motherson, Sumi, Wiring, all the stocks. You can take 100 after 100 is Siamara, Fine Organics, Pyramid Pharma, Motherson, Sumi, Adani Total Gas, Adani Wilmar, Vedanta Fashion, Children's Home Care, CAMS, Delivery, Bikaji Food, Campus Activewear, Footwears, Healthcare Industries, Infin Industries, Technologies, Lloyds, Data Patterns, Sterling, all these things. Till 80, right? Till 80, take all the scripts. Put it in your watch list and see how this is performing for the month of April. You will be amazed in seeing the results. Right? If you see PCBL, I'll show you something like Polycab is falling, right? Polycab, where is it?
Okay.
Polycab. Polycab is good for month of. Okay, where was that? Where is that? Where was that seasonality? Okay. So I see Polycab. Why Polycab is falling crazy in the month of March? Why? Most of the time, Polycab is negative in the month of March. See, 50, 60, 40% of the time is negative in the month of March. So if you know
April.
if you know the pattern in March, will you not take a trade? You will not take a trade in March, correct?
Prem,
Yes,
can you show this on money control? How did you navigate to the scanner?
the link, okay. I said those who are there, I'll give you a chat here. I think I did for everyone. Where is it? Direct message. I can. Everyone got it? Message in chat.
Sir,
Yeah,
got it,
message
sir.
got that.
Got it? Yeah. So if you see, where was that polycap? Yeah. So if I know March month polycap is negative, I will not be taking that particular script. So always I take a script which is more than 80% profit. So 80% profit is here, April polycap is good for me. So I'll be the first stock that I'll be in my kitty will be polycap.
I said maybe because of the result, it will be.
I don't know. But most of the time, April is
Yes,
possible for.
April and August too. Very good.
I like April right now. So next month is April.
Really,
So first bucket in my list will be polycap. So when I will be buying polycap, what is the right time to buy? This is year on year basis, month on month with year on year basis. Okay.
April, sir.
So for April, when should I buy polycap? Okay. So I'll be buying before the month starts and the expiry day gets over. That's on Thursday. I'll
27.
buy for 5-day polycap. That's it. So if you see BSE is negative, February is negative, January is negative. Why did you buy BSE, Saujanya, from January, February?
BSC I will be trading. Keep on trading every day.
See, February month is completely negative, 9%, 3%, 15%. Why did you trade in BSE?
But
February.
it has given me good in February also, depending on the day.
Yeah. So basically, this is give you a trend. Okay, this will give you a
Yes,
other way of looking into the market, like which trend that I really look in. So which I want to look in. I want to look in for Feb, or whether I look into March, or whether I look into April, or I look into May. Which month, whether that particular script is good for me, I'll take it. So let's say Reliance. Reliance is going down like anything. So when should I buy Reliance? Is it good for Feb? No. Is it good for March? Little bit. But
April this is also.
70%. So there are good movement happen in the month of April. So there is a possibility of April boom can be seen. Standard deviation is 10% of it. So there is a good thing is there. But it get June, July only, the movement of Reliance will be very, very intensive. So Tata Motors, why Tata Motors is not working? Since every time. Feb is a negative period for Tata Motors. You cannot have money on January or February. You cannot have money in March also. April only you get money in Tata Motors. So if you have bought money in Tata Motors in March, you will not have made some good money. It was falling like anything. Okay. Now only it's 700 rupees. Okay. Same thing if you look out for CDSL, which is really going to go up, right? So April month very good for April month. So all these things are over. April will be very good. So that's where I bought it and kept it for April. Okay.
You're already into the trade.
I'm already into the trade. So April is a good for CDSL. So
check Angel One.
Angel One, everything will be good. Angel One also will be good.
All these brokerage related firms are getting volumes every day. NC, Angel One, KFIN.
75% is good only. Okay. So this is a eye opener, correct? How many people say this is eye opener?
Yes, sir. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Good
Yes,
information.
it's good.
Good, sir.
So next time, if someone asks you, hey, can I buy Tata Chemicals? Will you buy it?
No,
No,
we'll check this.
this is what data scientists do. This is what we do as a data scientist. What we do, we collect the data. The first thing which we see is fixing up the data. So all data which is there in trading view or whatever view is all correct data. So you don't need to manipulate any data. So EDA is gone. Second thing is what we do is the data which is given to a data scientist is we first check for any patterns which is seasonal. So how much seasonal that a particular script is going to work on. So that's the first part of a data scientist role. What we do is we collect the data, we put it into the system, and we see for seasonality. So when we see seasonality of the particular script, we get a clear picture of when that particular script is going to give me a money. So when I apply those things on that particular month, I will get good returns on that particular money. So this is the first part I learned from data sciences. So that's what I'm sharing it with you. So after learning it, I try to implement everything in whatever manner that I want to do. First thing is I want to put it in the stock market and see. I was doing it on my own, but later I saw it, which is already there in technical thing in TradingView. The seasonality is already there. So I just clicked it and I verified it. It worked beautifully. So that's where the data is forming. So that's where I'm showing it to you. Okay. And by the way, this is the first class that I think the last class. This is the first day theory which I'm teaching to every student which they're joining. There are not much people have joined, only one person has joined. So that person I have taught him the seasonality. Okay. So that's a beauty of the stocks. So when you follow certain things, you will get a good return. So let's say we'll take anything which is 100% good. Anantrati or Max Healthcare Institute. I said Max Healthcare. Where is it? Max Health. Okay, I'll take this. You see, March, April, 100%.
Will grow. Yeah.
So Max Health will be a good stock for the month of April. So always look out for the insurance sector like NACL, GICL, GIC, insurance, HDFC Life, all the things put in month of March. And then April, it will continue. People will be buying for the month of next year, like 2025 to 20. That's where you find good numbers comes in for the month of April. Okay, so always it's a positive for month of April. So you have to have max health in your kitty. So next time when you're buying something, go to this particular link, check whether that particular script is there in the seasonality, like positivity is greater than 80%, then take the trade. Otherwise, don't take the trade. Close the trade and go home, sleep, enjoy yourself. Okay, you will make some good returns. So if you want to make money, take it, put it, and then go along. So if you want to see Bata, right? Bata is also a good stock which can go up, correct? That's what you said, correct? Bata India.
Yeah, put
Bata 70% on the April side is good. But you see on July, 80%. The used to be June and
July, April and July.
Yeah. This is how you have to work on. Okay, this is where you have to work on the scripts and everything. Okay, this will help you in streamlining your trades and everything. Sure. That's what I had today. Hope you had a good session today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prem. Thank you so much.
Bye.